Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to replace the indicator lens on your range. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now before we do this repair, we'll need to disconnect power to the range, and we'll also need access to the back of it. So simply pull your range forward and unplug it, or locate the electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker, or remove the appropriate fuses. Once we've done that, we'll go to the back of the range and remove the access panel. So next, we just need to remove the screws that secure this upper panel in place. On this particular model, they're 1/4" hex head screws. Be sure to support that panel as you remove the last screw, and we'll tilt it back at the top and lift it away at the bottom, and then we'll set that aside. Now, if the old lens is still in place, we'll need to slide the indicator light assembly away from it, then simply push that lens out through from the back and discard the old one. Next, we'll just press the new one into place from the front, push it in until it's flush. Then we'll take that lamp assembly and we'll need to slide these flexible forks in underneath the flange on that lens itself. So you may need to just press slightly on that lamp assembly until it locks itself in place. And now we're ready to put the back panel back on. Now we're ready to put the back panel on. We want to make sure that we engage these two hooks at the bottom of that panel into these two tabs that stick out of the back of the range. So make sure both sides engage. And set it into position. We'll reinstall the screws at the top to hold it. And then we'll just put the ones in on the sides. Now with the back panel secure, we're ready to push the range back into the cabinets. With the range pushed back into place, we're ready to reconnect the power, and your repair is complete.